Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to download Fire Kirin application on your iOS device. In order to do that, first of all, go ahead and open your App Store from your iOS. Go to the search box at the bottom right, and then in the search box, type in Fire Kirin and search. Now, look for this application that is developed by Penny. This is the official version of the Fire Kirin app. Tap on the Get button to start downloading the app on your iOS. After you do that, you will then be able to start the download process. Fire Kirin is a popular fish game app that offers a variety of arcade-style games where players can shoot at different types of fish to earn points and rewards. It is known for its engaging gameplay and vibrant graphics. You can play it on both Android and iOS device. Once the application is installed, tap on Open to open the game. And that's how you easily download Fire Kirin on your iOS device. You can sign into the game using your Facebook account or with your Apple ID. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.